Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add card on Tainbit. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and we need to search for this link, that is tainbit.co.uk. After which we get into the interface like this. Now make sure you are logged into it. After that, we need to click on this deposit button. Now simply click on deposit here. After that, we can see this add card option. Now you need to enter your name, card number and expiration date. After that, you need to enter your CVV2 card as well. After you are done with all of the informations here, you need to simply select the amount and simply deposit it. And after that, the card will also be added here already. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.